Children, welcome back to Max Made Easy. Let's continue with decimal fractions. Exercise 4C, Part 6. Evaluate 9.75 divided by 5. Here they have given a decimal number and we are going to divide this decimal number with 5. Since here you don't have any decimal point, you can just neglect this decimal point, and just imagine it as 975 divided by 5. And when you divide it without this decimal point, this is what you get. Now after this decimal point there are two places, 7 and 5, 1 2 places. So imagine a point over there where my laser light is. Just imagine a point over there and move 2 point towards the left side. 1 2. So 9.95 will be the answer. 4.4064 divided by 4. Even here you can just neglect this decimal point, and imagine it as 44,064 divided by 4. When you divide it without this decimal point, this is what you get, 11,016. Now after this point you are having 1 2 3 4 decimal point. So just imagine a point over here and move it 1 2 3 4. So 1.1016 will be the answer. 1.1016 will be the answer. Now even here you can do the same thing. 27.69 divided by 30. You just neglect this decimal point and imagine it has 2769 divided by 30. Sorry. So when you divide it, you will get 923. But you will get a point over here. When you divide it without this decimal point itself, you will get 92.3. Right, children? Now you have to move this decimal point two places, because after point there are two places, right? So from here just move it 2, 1 2. So here you will get the point. 0.923 will be the answer. I hope it's clear. Just even when you divide it without this point, you will get 92.3 as the answer. Okay, let's move on to the next one. 19.25 divided by 25. So we are going to divide by neglecting this decimal point as 1925 divided by 25. You will get 77. Now you have to move 2 points towards the left side, because after this point you are having two numbers. So imagine a point over here, 1 2. So 0.77 will be the answer. 20.65 divided by 16. Even here neglect this decimal point and assume it as 2065 divided by 16. So this is what you get. But you will get a point over here. When you divide neglecting this point, you will get 129.0625. Now after this point you are having two numbers. So from here move 2 points towards the left side. So you will get a point over here, children. So you'll get a point over here. This point will be moved over here. So 1.290625 will be the answer, and you can even write it after the point. You can write just two numbers. So 1.29 is the answer. Even here just assume it as 3204 divided by 9. So this is what you get. Now after this point you are having three decimal places. So imagine a point over here and move it 3.1 2 3. So you will get a point over here. 0.356 will be the answer. 0.125 divided by 25. Even here just neglect this point and divide it. You will get 5. 25 5 is 125, right? I am placing some zeros towards the left because we need to move this decimal point towards the three places. Since here you are having three places, so imagine a point over here and move it three places. So 1 2 3. So you'll get this point over here. From there to you just move on to here. I hope it's clear, children. 0.14616 divided by 72. Even here, just neglect this point and divide it with 14,616 divided with 72. You will get 203. Now, after the decimal point, you are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So, imagine a point over here and move this 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, you will get a point over here. It's very easy, children, but keep on trying it, children. Practice the problems. After seeing this video, just give a practice. Now, this 6,227 divided by 1,300 and you will get 479, but I am placing some zeros towards the left because we need to move this point 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Right? We need to move 4 digits. So when you divide it without a decimal number, you will get a point over here. 4.79 will be the answer. But we have to move another 4 points towards the left. So you will get a point over here. 0.000479 is the answer. Now even here, children, both the places are having decimal point. Even here, which we are going to divide with, even that number is in a decimal point. So here is the decimal point for the numerator. Always look at the numerator, children. Here for the numerator, you need to move 3 steps to 3 decimal places to get it to the last one, right? So you just move this to over here. So it will become 0.0. Right, children? Because after point, if it is 0, you can just cancel it up. Similarly, since we have moved 3 steps, even here you have to move from here to 3 decimal places. So it will get over there. Just place a 0 and you can just cancel this. Now you have to divide these two numbers without any decimal number. Simple. So 1526 is the answer. This is one more method, children. 11th one I am going to teach in another method. You can follow either of the method. Right here it is square. So 0.3 square, that means 0.3 into 0.3 will be 0.09. Now we have to divide this two decimal. Here I am going to teach it in a different way, children. Even you can follow the 10th method by moving the denominator, or else see, children, after the point in numerator, just look at the denominator. After the point you are having 2 digits. Always look at the denominator, children. After that you are having 2 digits, right? You have to move 2 digits. So you have to multiply it with 100 on both the sides. Whatever you are multiplying with denominator, the same one you are going to multiply with numerator also. Since we are multiplying with 100, because after this point you are having 2 numbers, so just multiply with 100. If after this point you are having 3 numbers, then multiply with 1000. If it is having 4 numbers, then multiply it with 10,000. So similarly on the numerator also you have to multiply it with 100. Whatever the number you are multiplying with denominator, the same number should be multiplied in the numerator. Right, children? So when you multiply it, you will just remove this point and it will come to the end and it will be 9. Similarly, even here it will become 630. When you multiply this both, it will be 630. So when you divide it, you will get 70. 630 divided by 9 will be 70. I hope you liked this video and understood the problems. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Check the description box for more problems on decimal fractions. Thanks for watching.